Hello students, good morning. Welcome to my second lecture on chapter number 10, Halogen Derivatives, class 12 Science, Maharashtra State Board, New Syllabus 2020. In the previous lecture, we have studied about hydrocarbons, types of hydrocarbons, then meaning of halogen derivatives of hydrocarbon as well as classification of halogen derivative on the basis of hydrocarbon skeleton to which halogen atom is bonded. In that we have studied about four types: haloalkanes, haloalkenes, haloalkynes, haloarenes. Today we are going to study about second part for the classification of halogen derivative, which is based on the basis of number of halogen atoms present in the molecule. Part B. First, we can study monohalogen derivative. Monohalogen derivative, when one of the hydrogen atom from alkane is replaced by halogen atom, then you get monohalogen derivative. I am writing some examples to clear that point. I have considered here methane. From methane, one hydrogen atom is replaced, you get what? Methyl chloride. Similarly, if you consider arenes, arenes means what? Aromatic hydrocarbon. You remember that aromatic hydrocarbons are called as what? Arenes. When one of the hydrogen atom is replaced by bromine atom, you get what? Bromobenzene. Remember also one thing, mono means single. See here, single halogen atom is present. Here also single halogen atom is present. Halogen derivatives of an alkane or arene containing only one halogen atom are called as monohalogen derivatives, and they are obtained by replacing one hydrogen atom from an alkane or from an arene by one halogen atom. Now come to second part, dihalogen derivative. See here, di means what? Two. Means these are halogen derivatives of an alkane or arenes containing two halogen atoms. They are called as what? Dihalogen derivatives. See the examples. I have written three examples. See here, two halogen atoms are attached to the same carbon atom, but here two halogen atoms are attached to the adjacent carbon atom. But all this contains two halogen atoms, so they are what? Dihalogen derivatives. Its name is what? Ethylene dichloride. And it is ethylene dichloride. and it is M-dibromobenzene. Halogen derivative of an alkane or arenes containing two halogen atoms are called as dihalogen derivatives, and they are obtained by replacing two hydrogen atoms from an alkane or from arenes by two halogen atoms. It is about what? Dihalogen derivatives. See, here two halogen atoms attached to the same carbon atom. They are called as what? Geminal dihalides. So dihalogen derivatives have two types. One is what? Geminal dihalide, and second one, see here, two halogen atoms attached to the adjacent carbon atom. So this is the example of what? Vicinal dihalide. Remember these points. See, ethylene dichloride is an example of geminal dihalide, and ethylene dichloride is an example of vicinal dihalide. Now we'll start with, now see, third type, that is trihalogen derivative. It's very simple. Tri means what? Three. Means these are the compound which contains three halogen atoms. We can consider here examples. We can consider CH, Cl3. That is what? Chloroform. CHBr3. That is bromoform. CHI3. That is iodoform. And last we can write one, 3, 5 tri-bromobenzene. Halogen derivative of an alkane or arenes containing three halogen atoms are called as trihalogen derivatives. All these contain three halogen atoms. See, Cl3, Br3, I3, and they also three bromine atoms. And they are obtained by replacing three hydrogen atoms from an alkane or arenes by three halogen atoms. This chloroform, bromoform, iodoform, these are also called as what? Haloform, and haloform can be shown by what? CHX3, where X is what? Where X is halogen. So CHX3 is the general formula of what? Haloform. Now last type we will consider, that is polyhalogen derivative. Polyhalogen derivatives. You can consider CCl4, and one more example we will see for arenes. Cl, 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 Cl. It is what? Carbon tetrachloride. It is hexachlorobenzene. Polyhalogen derivative. Halogen derivatives of an alkane or arenes containing more than 3 halogen atoms are called as polyhalogen derivative. They are obtained by replacing more than 3 hydrogen atoms of an alkane or arenes by corresponding number of halogen atoms. See, in carbon tetrachloride, 4 hydrogen atoms of methane are replaced by 4 fluorine atoms. In hexachlorobenzene, see, 6 hydrogen atoms are replaced by 6 halogen atoms. I hope you understand the classification of halogen derivatives. Now in the next lecture we will study in detail monohalogen derivative and their classification. Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay protected.